Hi there. In this video, we will learn what is SAP ECC. And my name is Syed. I've been working in SAP for quite some time, and you will find my books linked in the description. And let's get it started. So, what is SAP ECC? ECC stands for E for ERP, C for Central, and C for Component. So, ERP Central Component is abbreviation. And so what is SAP? First of all, SAP is a ERP application which is mostly used for the big corporation enterprises where they have a need of a bigger application with the different modules, finance, procurement, sales, warehouse. So all of those modules are available in a ERP application. So ERP application have different version R1, R2, R3, and in 2004 they come out with the SAP ECC 5.0. So ECC stand for ERP Central Component. So and then in 2013 6.0. So these are the name of our version, which is SAP ERP application. Right now we have SAP S4 HANA, which is a latest version, which is do not call anymore ECC. So ECC is a many companies are still using ECC, and newer companies where they're implementing SAP or upgrading it. So they're upgrading it to SAP S4 HANA, and in S4 HANA you will find different versions as well: 1511, 1610, 1709, 1809. And so SAP ECC is a name of SAP ERP application, and it's basically SAP R3 ECC 5.0. You will see that when you are learning about that. So thank you very much. If you have any comment and feedback, please go ahead and subscribe, and thank you very much.